Navigating the holidays, bringing peace, balance, and sacred connection into your holiday season. The holiday season is often filled with celebration, connection, and joy, but for many, it can bring stress, emotional overwhelm, and exhaustion. Between family expectations, busy schedules, and the constant buzz of activities, it's easy to lose your center. At Discover Your Spiritual Gifts in Centennial, Colorado, we invite you to approach the holidays differently. We invite you to move through them through mindfulness, spiritual connection, and self-care. When you align with your inner light, you can experience the season with greater peace, purpose, and authenticity. Finding balance in the holiday energy. The holidays amplify energy, both joyful and chaotic. It's my favorite time of the year, but it can be exhausting. You may feel the collective intensity of emotions, nostalgia, and expectations swirling all around you. Spiritually, this is a powerful time to ground your energy, reflect on your year, and reconnect to what truly matters. Tips to stay aligned: create sacred moments. Begin each day with a quiet few minutes of gratitude and meditation. Light a candle, breathe deeply, and set your intention to move through the day with grace and ease. Protect your energy. Before gatherings, imagine yourself in a bubble of light. This keeps your energy strong and prevents you from getting emotionally overwhelmed. Simplify and prioritize things. Focus on what brings you genuine joy, not obligation. Choose presence over perfection. Practice compassion. Remember that everyone is navigating their own emotions during this season, so offer kindness to others and yourself. Honor the spiritual meaning of the season. Across cultures and traditions, winter is a sacred time of light returning to the world. It symbolizes renewal, reflection, and hope. And you can honor this energy by creating small rituals that help you reconnect to spirit. Cleanse your space by burning sage or diffusing essential oils to clear stagnant energy after gatherings or celebrations. Choose times to journal and release. Reflect on the lessons of the past year and write down what you're ready to let go of and step into some new ones. Sound and energy healing is great this time of year, so attend a sound bath, do a Reiki session, or an angelic healing at Discover Your Spiritual Gifts to restore your harmony within your body, mind, and soul. When we consciously move through the season, we awaken the deeper spiritual magic of the moments, the energy of love, gratitude, and renewal. Connect with community at Discover Your Spiritual Gifts. The holidays are not meant to be navigated alone. Our community at Discover Your Spiritual Gifts in Centennial offers a welcoming space for reflection, connection, and healing. Join us for sound baths, sacred rituals, intuitive readings to help you stay grounded and heart-centered through the busy season. Whether you're looking for holiday rituals, metaphysical gifts, or peaceful retreat from the noise, our center supports you in rediscovering the magic of the holidays. This holiday season, give yourself permission to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to reconnect within your spirit. When you approach the holidays with intention, every gathering becomes an opportunity for love. Every moment becomes that opportunity for growth, and every day is a blessing of light. From all of us that Discover Your Spiritual Gifts, may your holidays be filled with peace, clarity, and divine joy.